Yes, children, we are doing question number 7 of exercise 8.1 today. Here in question number 7, ABCD is a rhombus. Show that diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C, and diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. So ABCD is a rhombus given. So ABCD is a rhombus. AC bisect angle A and angle C, that is angle 1 equal to angle 2. 1 2 के इक्वल प्रूव करना है. एंगल 3 इक्वल टू एंगल 4, 3 जो है वो 4 के इक्वल प्रूव करना है. इनडायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग ये है. बी डी बाइसेक्ट एंगल बी, एंगल 5 इक्वल टू एंगल 6, एंगल 7 इक्वल टू एंगल 8. वो भी हमने एंगल बनाए नहीं है, तो क्योंकि पहले फर्स्ट पार्ट प्रूव करेंगे तो इसलिए फर्स्ट वाली पिक्चर हमने शो करी है. सेकंड जब पार्ट प्रूव करेंगे तो सेकंड डायगोनल हम ड्रॉ कर लेंगे. 5 6 7 8 ये एंगल भी बना लेंगे. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. करना कैसे है? 1 2 के इक्वल प्रूव करना है और 3 इक्वल टू 4 करना है. तो देखो 2 इक्वल टू 4 तो होगा ही. रीजन एबीसी जो है वो आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल है. ए बी इक्वल टू बी सी की वजह से साइड्स ऑफ रोम्बस. तो एंगल 2 इक्वल टू एंगल 4 होगा ही होगा. एंगल्स अपोजिट टू इक्वल साइड, एंड एंगल 2 इज आल्सो इक्वल टू एंगल 3 because of alternate interior angle. So 3 equal to 4. तो यही हमने लिखना है यहाँ पर. इन ट्रायंगल ABC, AB equal to BC, sides of rhombus. Therefore, angle 2 equal to angle 4. Angles opposite to equal sides in a triangle. But angle 2 equal to angle 3, alternate interior angle. Therefore, it implies angle 3 equal to angle 4, that is AC bisect angle C. Angle 2 equal to angle 4, again angle 2 equal to angle 4 and angle 4 equal to angle 3, angle 1, alternate interior angles. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2, that is AC bisects angle A. So this we have proved the first part, AC bisect angle A as well as angle C. For the second part again, we will join BD, and here it is 5 6 7 8. So we will use this triangle ADB. So instead of in triangle ABC, we will write in triangle ADB. AB equal to AD. AB equal to AD. Therefore 5 equal to 7. वही लाइन्स चलेंगी. But 5 equal to 8. But 5 equal to 8. Alternate interior angle. It implies 7 equal to 8. That is BD bisects angle D. Again 5 equal to 7. And 8 equal to 5. It implies 5 equal to 7 and 7 equal to 6 and 7 equal to 6. It implies 5 equal to 6. That is BD bisects angle B. So this is all about question number 7. Now come to the question number 8. ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as C. Show that ABCD is a square. Diagonal BD bisect B as well as D. So here in question number 8, ABCD is a rectangle. It is given. अब हमें रेक्टेंगल गिवन है, तो रेक्टेंगल हमने बनाई जैसे जैसे इंस्ट्रक्शन दी हुई थी उसके अकॉर्डिंग. दिस इज रेक्टेंगल. सी इधर कहीं होगा, डी. AC बाइसेक्ट एंगल A एज वेल एज C. अब इसमें जो डायगोनल AC है वो A को बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है और C को भी बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है. यहां पर ये बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है. बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है, इधर से ये ज्वाइन किया, इधर से ये ज्वाइन किया, और ये B पॉइंट यहां की बजाय यहां पर है. ये भी इक्वल दे रखे हैं. 1 इक्वल टू 2, 3 इक्वल टू 4 गिवन. ABCD is a rectangle in which AC bisect angle A as well as C. So AC bisects angle A and angle C, that is angle 1 equal to angle 2, angle 3 equal to angle 4. To prove, first part ABCD is a square. Second part, BD bisects angle B and angle D. Then proof. So angle 1 equal to angle 2 is already given. 3 equal to 4 already given. 1 equal to 2 and 1 equal to 4. In figure, angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Angle 1 equal to angle 4 alternate interior angle. It implies angle 2 equal to angle 4. Therefore, triangle ABC, therefore in triangle ABC, AB equal to BC. So here is point C. AB equal to BC. Sides opposite to equal angle. So a rectangle having one pair of adjacent side equal is square. Now rectangle ABCD having one pair of adjacent side equal is a square, because by definition a rectangle having one pair of adjacent side equal is square. Now we need to prove that diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle B. This is diagonal BD. We need to prove this angle equal to this angle 5 equal to 6, 7 equal to 8. And for this, what we will do? Because ABCD is a square, AB equal to AD, in triangle ABD, AB equal to AD, 7 equal to 5, angles opposite to equal side. Now, in triangle ABD, AB equal to AD, sides of square. Therefore, angle 5 equal to angle 7. But angle 5 equal to angle 8, alternate interior angles. And here we will write the reason, angles opposite to equal sides. So it implies angle 7 equal to angle 8. Similarly, angle 5 equal to angle 6. Now come to the next question, question number 9. In parallelogram ABCD, 2 points P and Q are taken on the diagonal BD such that DP equal to BQ. So the next question, question number 9. A parallelogram is given, ABCD. This parallelogram is given. Here it is A, B, C, D, and this is diagonal BD. P and Q, these are the 2 points, P and Q. On the diagonal BD, such that DP equal to BQ. DP, D is here, B is here. DP equal to this part is equal to this part. DP equal to BQ. These two parts are equal. And different parts are given to be proved. So join this, and this. So given and to prove, ये आप खुद लिख लेना क्वेश्चन में से देख करके. जो प्रूफ वाला पार्ट है वो मैं बता देता हूँ. प्रूफ बड़ा इजी है. प्रूफ पहले APD एंड CQB, APD एंड CQB, इन दो ट्रायंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रुएंट करना है. इन ट्रायंगल APD and triangle BQC. So first thing, BC equal to AD, BC equal to or AD equal to BC, opposite sides of parallelogram. Second is BQ, DP equal to BQ, BQ given. And third is angle 2, and this is angle 1. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. alternate interior angle. So first part proved, therefore triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB by SES congruency. By SES congruency. Second part, this is first part. Second part, AP equal to CQ by CPCT. Directly we can write on the basis of first result. Third part again, in triangle AQB and triangle CPD, we need to make these two triangles congruent. AQB, CPD. So first thing, this side AB equal to CD, AB equal to CD, opposite sides of parallelogram. Second, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Alternate interior angles. And last, BQ equal to PD given. So triangle AQB congruent to triangle CPD by SES. Next is fourth part, that is by CPCT, because we have proved this one. So fourth part directly we can write AQ equal to CP by CPCT. Fourth part, after fourth part, fifth part, APCQ is a parallelogram on the basis of second and fourth part. Opposite sides are equal, so ABCD, APCQ is a parallelogram by second and fourth, a quadrilateral APCQ having opposite sides equal is a parallelogram. So that's all for this video. Next question we will do in the next video.